Stakeholder identification. Effective requirements planning involves the participation of a number of stakeholder skills. While the BA is responsible for the technical work of analyzing business processes and developing requirements, and for planning all of the requirements-related activities on the project, the BA is also in the best position to identify stakeholders for inclusion in the requirements process. Some or all of the stakeholders who may play a critical role in the process, in the success of the planning function at its inception are primary stakeholders, the executive sponsor, the ultimate authority on the project who approves the requirements, although other people may also be needed to approve them. The project manager is responsible for making sure the requirements will fulfill the end goal for the product and that the final product satisfies the requirements. Subject matter expert. They may provide many important requirements, and when they relate to the SME's specialty, may need to approve the requirements. Functional stakeholders. Various functional stakeholders within the organization must be consulted to ensure that the requirements are feasible, applicable, and comprehensive enough to meet the goals. The developer has responsibility for developing a product that satisfies the requirements. The quality assurance analyst is responsible for ensuring that requirements meet quality standards and can be tested. The trainer has responsibility for reviewing the requirements to ensure that the training materials or courses based upon them can be developed. The application architect has responsibility for developing the system architecture that creates the interfaces among the organization. Infrastructure analyst works closely with the application architect to establish the operational infrastructure that is necessary to support the solution. Database analyst has responsibility for creating the system's database. Information architect will be responsible for using the requirements to obtain the system's information needs. Final stakeholders. The final stakeholders who should be consulted during or at the beginning of the requirements planning process are the solution owner, sometimes known as the customer, is a major supplier of requirements information. The solution owner may also be an approver of the requirements. End user is informed about requirements activities. These people are important sources of requirements information. Other stakeholders. When identified by the BA, they may be responsible, consulted, or informed during requirements activities.